If you're wondering how to use Mailchimp for product launches, you're in the right place. Stick around as we break it down into simple steps that will take your launch from start to finish using one of the most powerful tools out there. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or looking for ways to maximize its potential, you'll get exactly what you need here. First off, Mailchimp isn't just for newsletters anymore. It's a powerful all-in-one marketing platform that can handle your entire product launch. You can set up automated campaigns, track your performance, and even design beautiful landing pages, all in one place. The first thing you'll want to do is create an email list. If you already have a list, great, but if not, don't worry. With Mailchimp's easy-to-use forms and sign-up tools, you can start building a list in no time. You can even import contacts if you're coming from another email service. Next thing you need to do is craft your campaign. Mailchimp offers pre-designed templates, but you can also create something unique that reflects your brand. The drag and drop editor is simple yet powerful, so you don't need to be a designer to create something that looks professional. Customize your message and imagery to fit the vibe of your product launch, making sure it aligns with your brand story. The third thing to keep in mind is automation. Setting up automated emails means you don't have to manually send out updates as your launch progresses. With Mailchimp, you can trigger emails based on customer actions. For example, send out an email welcoming new subscribers, a follow-up with a special offer, or even a reminder as your product launch date approaches. Automation ensures you stay top of mind without lifting a finger. The fourth thing I recommend is using Mailchimp's landing page builder. Landing pages are crucial for your launch because they give your customers a clear place to learn about your product, sign up for updates, or purchase. With Mailchimp's landing page tool, you can build one without any coding experience. Customize it to match your email campaigns and direct your traffic there with confidence. Another great feature to use when launching your product is Mailchimp's A/B testing. This allows you to test different subject lines, images, and call to action buttons to see what performs best with your audience. By optimizing your emails before you hit send, you ensure that your launch gets the attention it deserves. The last thing is analytics. Once you've sent out your campaign, don't just sit back and relax. Check your performance. Mailchimp's detailed analytics show you open rates, click rates, and even the number of conversions. This data lets you tweak your strategy for better results in the future. Now, as promised, if you're thinking of diving into Mailchimp for your next product launch, you can try it for free through the link in the description below. You'll also get exclusive bonuses that will help you launch like a pro. Mailchimp offers a free plan that's packed with features, but with our special link, you'll get access to even more tools to elevate your product launch. Just remember, setting up your product launch with Mailchimp doesn't have to be complicated. From email campaigns and automation to landing pages and A/B testing, it's all here to make your launch a success. If you want to get started today with an exclusive extended free trial, hit the link below.